Welcome back to this episode. Today class discuss about measurement of length, area, volume and mass. First is a measurement of length. Whenever we measure which thickness, depth, distance, height, we measuring length, the SI unit of length is meter. SI unit of length is a meter. Definition of meter. Meter. It is distance between two marks on a platinum iridium ratio 1 bar kept on a International Bureau of Weight and measured at Paris in France. Platinum iridium ratio 9:1 bar kept in an International Bureau measured in a Paris in France, maintained in a fixed temperature 0 degree centigrade. First, multiple and submultiple units of length. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 10 to the power 2 centimeter. 1 kilometer equal to thousands meter, 1 hectometer equal to 100 meter, 1 decametre equal to 10 meter, 1 decimeter equal to 10 to the power minus 1 meter. Next, centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 to the power minus 2 meter. 8. 1 millimeter equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Device of measuring length. Description of importance measurement device. First is a ruler. This type of measurement instrument are called ruler. The smallest measurement that can be measured using a ruler, 1 mm. Using smallest ruler, smallest unit is a 1 mm. Next point, to measure the length of matchbox, which is matchbox, place the matchbox near the ruler. Second point, to measure the length of matchbox, place the matchbox near the ruler. This type. Look at this place. Third point is see that one end point. First end point 0. End of the box is at 0 recording. 0 recording of the ruler as shown in figure. Look at this place 0 recording in the figure. The scale at the other end is the length of matchbox, that is 2 centimeter. Second end point is a 2 are called centimeter. Reproduction. Prosecution. Reading should always be noted correctly by observing from position A. Position A, look at this place. Position A. Actual above. That is actual above the matchbox. Next point is the recording as observed in a slide position. Slide position is a V. Slide position in this side. Slide position B, that is 2.1 centimeter. Look at this slide position on matchbox, 2.1 centimeter. And C. This error is measurement is called parallax error. Never observe matchbox point B and C. Third point is the if the edges of the ruler are worn out, then place the box at anti other position. Anti other position. The ruler and subtract recording at the starting. Look at this place, this ruler. A box is a final end point. First is a 1 centimeter. Next final end point is a 2.5 centimeter. If the matchbox, to measure the length of matchbox, that is 2.5 subtract 1.5 equal to 1 centimeter. Next measurement instrument, measuring type. This is called measure length. Measure large length, such as length required to construct a house, field, etc. Next point, the smallest measurement possible is 1 mm. Smallest measurement, smallest unit in a measuring tape, 1 mm. That's all. Next instrument are called Kepler and scale. Keplers and scales. This type of instrument are called Kepler and scales. Measuring external diameter of a pipe. Measuring the inner diameter of pipe. Look at this place, definition of capillars and scales. They are used to measure the inner diameter and outer diameter as shown in the figure and check the length of diameter on meter scale. Look at this place, measuring outer diameter and inner diameter using capillars and scales. Fourth instrument is a thread and scale. To measure curved length. Measured curved length. This type of length measuring with this device. Curve length measuring with thread and scale, with the scale. Curved length using this type is a curve, measuring this length. To measure curved length, separate the thread on the curved space. To mark the initial and final position. Final point. Now separate the some threads on the scale, such as internal point, initial point. It is 0 scale. Look at this place, this circle, initial point is A. At the 0 scale, so in the figure, note the measurement. One round completing with thread scale, length equal to meter, centimeter in a units part of units. Next, rectangular box and scale. Rectangular box and scales. Measuring diameter of these circles. Rectangular box and circles. Scales. To find the diameter of cricket ball. Find the diameter of cricket ball. Arrange the rectangular box. Arrange the rectangular box both the side, and a scale show in the figure. Scale show in the figure. The difference in reading taken for each face touching the ball. Each face both the side surrounding ball. Touching the ball is the length of diameter of the ball. Diameter equal to Look at this place. 1.5, 1.3.1, 3.1. Subtract 1.6. Look at this place. 3.1. Small 3.1. Subtract 1.6. Subtract 1.6. Find out diameter of cricket ball. Let's move 6. Instrument is a scale. Thickness of paper. Thickness of paper measurement. Measurement of thickness of paper with a scale is not possible. Thickness of paper with measuring scales is not possible since the thickness of paper less than 1 millimeter. Thickness of paper lesser than 1 millimeter. In such case, place the bundle of papers saying that 40 pages. 40 pages put in this place surrounding scale. So in the figure. So in the figure in this place, get the thickness of each paper. So in this figure, thickness of 40 papers equal to 1 centimeter. Thickness of 40 papers equal to 1 centimeter. Thickness of each papers 1 centimeter divide 40. 1 centimeter equal to 1 centimeter divide with this 40 equal to 0.025 centimeter. Thickness of each paper equal to 0.025. 7 point is a vernier scale. Where using vernier scale, this device. Name of this device is a vernier scale. Used to very small length, depth, etc. The smallest measurement possible is a 0.01 centimeter with vernier scale. Next is a screw gauge. This type of measurement instrument is a screw gauge. Used to measure small length thickness of paper. Measuring thickness of paper with screw gauge. Smallest measurement possible is a 0.01 millimeter. Smallest unit in a screw gauge 0.01 millimeter possible with screw gauge. Let's move measurement of area. Different objects occupy different surface. Look at this highlighter. This highlighter occupying some spaces. Look at this place, some space occupying this highlighter. Occupying this marker some spaces. Example, in the study room, the study table occupying some space depending on size. Depending on size of this cap and different places. First is the area. Measurement of surface is called area. Measurement of surface. Measurement of surface are called area. Look at this place. Measurement of surface. Measurement of surface are called area. This measurement of surface are called area. Measurement of surface are called area. Next is a units. The SI unit of area is a square meter. SI unit of area is called square meter. Next, unit is a two type: multiple units and submultiple units. Multiple units used in a measured area are hectare and square kilometer. 1 hectare equal to 10 to the power 4 meter square. 1 kilometer square equal to 10 to the power 6 meter square. Next point is the two submultiple units used to measure area is a square centimeter. Submultiple units used to measure area is a square meter. Method of measuring area. Two type of measuring instrument. Two type of method. First is a regular shape. Second is a irregular shape. Regular shape using applying formula of this type of object using formula, and next irregular shape instrument and object using graph method. First is the area of room. Length and breadth. Length into breadth equal to the square shape is a 12 meter square. 4 meter multiple with 3 meter equal to 12 meter. Graph method. Example. Separate the irregular shape object on a graph paper. Put in this graph paper. On the graph paper, draw the outline. Draw the outline of object. Remove the object and count the number of square. Count the number of square in outline. Outline. Number the square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at this place. Number of complete square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. Number of incomplete square more than half. more than half होना चाहिए. 1 2 3 4. Therefore approximate area of object 4 plus 4 equal to 8 meter square. Next is the measurement of mass. When we buy grocery at a shop, we measure the mass of object with the help of balance and weighted. First is a mass. Mass. The amount of matter containing in an object is called mass. Content of object are called mass. Second is a unit of mass. The SI unit of mass is a kilogram. SI unit of mass is a kilogram. Multiple and submultiple units of mass. 1 gram equal to thousands milligram. 1 gram equal to thousands milligram. 1 kilogram equal to thousands gram. 1 quintal equal to thousands kilogram. 1 quintal equal to not a thousands kilo. 1 quintal equal to 100 kilogram. 1 metric ton equal to 10 quintal. 1 metric ton equal to 10 quintals. Look at this place. Different way of measuring mass. First is a beam balance. Next is a grocery balance. C is a physical balance. We are using three type of measuring balance. First is a beam balance. The balance process a beam having support at a center of two initial pin suspended at a equal distance from the center of beam. Equal distance both the side. Pointed left pen, right pen. Point B. Grocery balance. The object to be weighted is placed on a one pen. One pen is a object and its equivalent a standard weight on other pen is a vice versa. Vice versa is a 2 kg, half kg, 2.5 kgs. C type is a physical violence used for more accurate measurement. Mostly use the gold mist. This type of instrument mostly used in a gold mist and also in a chemical lab. Today using in a chemical lab electric physical violence. Let's solve some examples. Example number 1.8. The mass of lorry is 3 metric ton. Mass of lorry 3 metric ton. How many ton is a 3 metric ton? 3 metric ton. Some importance note: 1 ton equal to 100 kilogram and 1 metric ton equal to 10 quintal. 1 metric ton equal to 10 ton. Finding this next point is a find the mass in term of quintal and kilogram. Mass in a quintal. First of term of quintal. Quintals. 3 metric ton equal to 3 multiply with how many tons in this place? 1 metric ton equal to 10 ton. 1 metric ton equal to 10 ton. Multiply 3 equal to 10 equal to 30 ton. 30 ton. Next in a kilogram. Kilogram. Finding 1 kilogram equal to this 30 ton multiplied with 1 kilo. Also with this, but I am finding 10 ton. 30 1 metric ton equal to 10 ton. 30 multiply with 10 convert in a kg equal to 300 kg. 3 metric ton equal to 300 equal to 1 metric ton equal to 1 ton equal to thousands kg, 100 kg, multiply with 100. 1 metric ton equal to 3000 kg and 3 metric ton equal to 30 ton. Answer completed. Next episode, describe measurement of volume of our capacity. See you soon. Vande Mataram everyone.